Hello guys, we want to solve question using calculator and limit of trigonometrical functions. And as you listen, God bless you. Now, thank you for subscribing, and those of you that are watching the video that is helping you for exam, please comment to encourage us to do more. Now, we want to solve question number 1 on limit. And please, when you want to solve limit question, there are two ways the question can come out. Number 1, observe for now. Observe the word, the value it is tending to. If the value is 0 or smaller than 0, you set your calculator in radian. But if your limit is tending to pi means 180. Please don't forget, pi is equal to what? 180 degree. So that means pi over 2 is 90 degree, while pi over 6 is 30, pi over 4 is 45, and so forth and so on. So we are going to solve it now, and we'll start right away. So always observe these are the parts you are going to check critically to know. Like this one now will be in what? Our calculator will be in degree, where pi is 180, and this is exactly 30 degree. So to convert your calculator to radian, you press shift mode. Radian is number 4. Press number 4. You have automatically convert. To convert to degree, you press shift mode, then you press number 3. You have actually taken it to degree. So but for this question, we want to take it to what? To radian, because it's very small. So shift mode, number 4. So we start right away. Tan alpha x, 3x. 3s, close the bracket, back. Divide by what? Alpha x, divide by x. As s tends towards 0, that means minus 0.00001. What will be our answer? 3 on the dot. So the answer to this one is equal to what? 3. For what we can see in the calculator. Now the next one is what? Cot x over cot 2x as s tends to 2. Now there's something you must know about cot. Cot is an inverse of tan x is equal to cot x. So if inverse of tan x is equal to cot x, that means this is also the same thing as what? Tan 2x over what? Cot tan x. Because when you take the inverse of this one, it will go up, while this one will come down. So that means in terms of tan, it's this way. Now we cannot see cot in our calculator. Cot is equivalent to 1 over tan. So in this case now we go back. And what is it tending to? 0. So we leave it in radian. Now let's solve. We press our fraction. Then we press your tan. Then 2 alpha x, you bring your x out. Alpha close bracket. Then you press what? Again tan alpha what? X. Close bracket. Look at what I have just done now. So to bring out to say tends to 0, press calc. Then you have minus 0.00001. What do you have? 2 on the dot. So this one is 2. Answer is 2. Now we have a problem here now. In the third question, look at it, it tends to what? Pi over 2. So what I want to do now, pi is 180 divided by 6. What do you have? That is 30 degree. So in that case, I'll use 30 degree, and I will set my hands mode in degree, number 3. So we can go right away. So sine 2 what? X, sine again x, close bracket, cos x, close bracket, press calc. As s tends to what? 30. 30 is what? You will not use 30 because it's tending to 30. You can use 29.99. So our answer here is 2 also. So if you do the next one now, is what? 10 to 0. Look at the next one now. It's 10 to 0, number 4. So I will advise us to just what? Check our mode to what? to radian back. Okay, you can now type the value sine. Okay, let me open the bracket, fraction. So sine 3 what x, close bracket, sine what 8 what x. So as s tends to 0, so you need this same now. I would use minus 0.00 what 1, because it's tending to 0, so we are going to approach it from the negative end, approaching 0. So this is what 0 point answer is what 0.375, and if you check, that is equivalent to 3/8. Check 3 divided by 8 is what? Yes, if you check the fraction, it's not, look at it, it's 0.375, which is exactly 3/8. Now let's go to number 5. In number 5 now, where we are now, this number 5 now, we have two variables there. I mean, two variable. H is we're going to be our y here because we don't have h calculator. X is already there. Then in your h, we are going to assign, in your x, we are going to assign the value for it because our answer are in x function, in the function of x. But our h is what is 10 to 0, so we can use h as y. Take h as y, and our x will remain x in our calculator because we have h in calculator. We don't have h in calculator rather. Now, your limit is 10 to 0, so set your calculator in radian. Ensure you check. Okay, number 4. So we can now go fraction, sine what? Open bracket. It's already open bracket, sorry. Shift alpha, close bracket, plus, then this is half. Half is 0.5. Then shift what? XD to bring as h as our y. Sine what? 0.5 what? Shift what? SZ to close it. Then what? Alpha what? Y. It's alpha y to bring what? Alpha SZ to bring this thing out. So we now press calc. Now, as the value is tending to 0, we are going to use minus 0.0 as we have been using since. So we are going to have what? Okay, sorry. Let me go back again. Let's start again. I'm supposed to assign a value for x. So that because our answer will be in form of x, alpha x, let me quickly do that. 0.5, which is 1. Y, then sine 0.5 what? Close bracket again. Then shift, take it down, we have alpha SD. We must have to bring y out. I haven't done that now. It will show you two variables we have in this one now. Now x and y. But our function now is not x we are using y. So h is our y now. Don't forget. 10 to 0. But let us assign a value for x. Let's say, okay, let's say x is appearing now. Let's take x at 0.1. Okay, y now is tending toward 0. So 0.0001. So I want to have this. Okay, let's write it down. That answer is what? 0.04991. Don't forget that I use x as what? What's my x? I take x as 0.1. So I will now check my option now. Which one will be the answer? By using my x as 0.1. Don't forget. So I will check option A, sine 0.1, which is, no, that is not the answer. Let's check option B, 0.5, which is 1/2. 1/2 sine what? 0.1. No, I use 0.1 when I want to input the value directly. So that is option B is the answer. We don't even need to check others. So I will want you to solve this one for me, this number 7, because it looks like it. Number 7, and choose your option for me and type it and send it to us in the comment section. Now let's do number 6, because number 5 and number 7 is looking alike. Now number 6 now, we have to check our what? This is tending to pi, s tends to pi. So if x tends to pi, I will advise you set your calculator in what? In degree. In degree. Shift mode. Then press number 3. You have taken it to degree. Ensure you do that. Then you press your what? Your fraction. When you press your fraction, you press then tan alpha x. So alpha x, close bracket. Then sine what? What 2 what? Alpha x, close bracket back. Then now press what? Calc. Our this is 180. I told you before. If you check up here, look at it. Told you the pi is 180. So we are not going to type exactly 180 because it's tending to pi. So I will use 17. I will use 117 what? 9.99. So 0.5. So that will give us what? 1/2 as the answer. So try it again and do it over and over again. Don't forget, you are going to use pi as 1.179. Make sure your calculator is in degree. Ensure your calculator is in degree. Now try number 7. Number 7. Then try number 9. Don't forget number 9 is number 8. You are going to give 7, 8, and 9 for you to try. So just try number 7, 8, and 9. So anything you get, this is x. Please, all these ones carry x. Carry x as the option. So try it and send your answer 7, 8, 9 to us in the comment section. Thank you.